Hey everyone, welcome back to Civil Guru, your go-to channel for all things construction. Today, I have something incredibly exciting to share with you. If you're a construction enthusiast, an aspiring civil engineer, or even a seasoned professional, you're going to love this. I'm thrilled to introduce my latest ebook, BBS E-Book. But wait, why should you even consider getting this book? Stick around and I'll tell you exactly why. Bar bending schedule, or BBS, is an essential skill in the construction world. It's not just about bending bars and laying steel, it's about precision, efficiency, and understanding the very backbone of any concrete structure. So why should you buy the BBS e-book? Let me break it down for you. First, let's talk about part 1 of the book. Basics of bar bending schedule. This section is perfect for beginners and even for those who need a quick refresher. You'll learn everything from the fundamentals of what a bar bending schedule is, the general guidelines to follow when preparing one, to understanding why steel is used in concrete. You'll also discover the different types of steel bars used in RCC work, the importance of clear cover, overlap length, and even the differences between TMT bars and other types of steel. This isn't just theory, it's practical knowledge you can apply on site. Moving on to part 2, we dive deeper into the calculations. Here, you'll find detailed procedures for finding cut lengths for various shapes and sizes of stirrups, bars, and cages. Whether you're dealing with rectangular, trapezoidal, or even circular shapes, this ebook covers it all. You'll learn how to find the weight of bars, calculate the cut lengths for different reinforcements, and even understand the standards for bar diameters. Imagine having all this information at your fingertips. No more guesswork, no more mistakes. And finally, part 3 brings it all together with practical applications. From footings to slabs, beams to retaining walls, this section provides comprehensive bar bending schedules for various elements of construction. And the best part, I've included PDF sheets and Excel files for each section, so you can customize and use them directly on your projects. Plus, there's a worksheet that allows you to practice and create your own BBS, guiding you from project start to finish. It's like having a mentor by your side, teaching you every step of the way. So, whether you're preparing for a job interview, working on a new project, or simply looking to upskill, BBS eBook is the ultimate guide to mastering bar bending schedules. It's packed with valuable information, real-world examples, and practical worksheets that make learning easy and effective. Don't miss out on this opportunity to enhance your skills and knowledge. Click the link in the description below to grab your copy today. And as always, if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.